Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of Dhronas. So today we will be again doing a small practice set of West Bengal Police and Kolkata Police Constable. Okay, this will be your set number 7. So let's begin. Chalo, ठीक है? Okay. So what is the first question given here? First question given here is about relation. That this belongs to this, then what will belongs to fog? ठीक है? So chalo, let's see what it is given. Cart. So let's write CART is written as BYOP. ठीक है? So in the previous class I have stated that you should write from A till Z and the values of A of the letters in the examination hall, so you don't get any kind of mistakes regarding this question. So if we see C to B, we know C to B goes with -1, A to Y goes with -2. If you are not able to reverse, just count from B. BC 1, YA 2, OR is 3, PT is 4. Then what we require? Fog. So FOG, then it should be -1, this will be -2, this will be -3. So F -1 is E. Then what is O -2 is M, and what is G -3 is D. So what is the answer? EMD. So option number C is the answer. ठीक है? चलो, let's move on to the next one. चलो ठीक है. Okay. What is the next one? Again, this is about statements and conclusion. This is the question given and this is the answer given. So what it is given here? The first statement says all scales are calculator. So chalo ठीक है, all scales are calculator. Then some calculator are phone, some calculator are phone. So this is the diagram with regard to the statement. So what does the conclusion 1 states? The conclusion 1 states some scales are phone. Can we say some scales are phone? No, we cannot see. And number 2, what it is given? No scale can be phone. It is also wrong because some scale can be phone. If we draw a diagram, all scales are calculator and some calculator phone, this can be also be there. So no scale, some scale can be there, and some scalar phone with this, again some scale can be there. So option 1 and option 2 are wrong, so none follows. So none follows. Chalo, next. Okay, what is the next question? Next question is about missing number. Next question is about missing number. ठीक है? So what is given? 4 5 6 7 8. If we see 4 7 15, if we write 4 7 15, अच्छा, if we go add 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 15, we can write, but if we see this 9 plus 5 14, then it is 44. No, addition is not the solution. Acha, if we go with square, it gives 16. Again if we go with square, it gives us 49. 49 16 does not give 15. If we subtract, does not give. So square is also not the solution. So what can be the solution? If we go with the cube, what is 4 cube? 64, and it is 15. If we subtract 15, what we get? We get 49. That means 49 can be written as 7 square. So 49 can be written 7 square. Now if we minus it, we get 15. So what we got, we just cubed the first number, squared the second number, and subtract it, we get the resultant answer. Again, if we cube it, what is 5 cube? And if we square it, what is 5 cube minus 9 square? It is 125 minus 81, which gives us 44. See, 44. So cube minus 8 square, so 6 cube minus 8 square, that is 216 minus 64 gives us 152. What is option? Option number B. So hope you got it. What was the solution here? Cube the first number, square the second number, and then subtract it. So answer here is 152. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट में, चलो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहे हैं? 54 एट द रेट 11. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो लेट्स राइट 54 एट द रेट 11. 7 दे रहे हैं, ठीक है. How 7 is coming? अच्छा, if we look closely, just add these numbers, what we get? Adding these two numbers, we get 9. And if we add these two numbers, what we get? 2, and minus, we get 7. That means at the rate is equals to minus. Let's see the next one. 87 at the rate 71 gives us 7. Acha, if we add 8 and 7, we get 15. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. At the rate means minus, which gives us 7. Similarly, 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. Minus, we get 2. And what is the question? 28. 28 at the rate 38 means 8 plus 2 is 10. At the rate means minus. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 10 minus 11 gives us minus 1. Option number C. So what was the solution here? Adding the first two numbers, subtracting it with the sum of second two numbers. Adding the first two numbers 15 minus adding the last two numbers, that is 7 plus 1 is 8, then gives us the resultant answer. ठीक है? चलो, let's move on to the next one. चलो, what is the next one? अच्छा, what it is given? If today is Thursday. अच्छा ठीक है, today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. अच्छा, what will be the day after 7890 days? अच्छा, 7890 days. What will be the day after 7890 days? अच्छा, we know 1 week equals to 7 days. So if today is Thursday, after 1 week, that means after 7 days, we are getting Thursday. And after 8 days, what we get? We get Friday. How Friday came? We know, just divide it by 7, because 1 week equals to 7 days. So if we divide it by 7, we get 1 as the remainder, and with the remainder we just add the excuse me, I'm just sorry, we just add Thursday with it, the Thursday plus 1, which gives us Friday. ठीक है? I'm just giving one more example. So what is given? It is today. Let's take example, just today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Let's take it. So what will be the day after, just say after 100 days. I'm just giving an example. Just say after 100 days. So we know 1 week equals to 7 days. So just divide it by 7. So if we divide it by 7, we get 7 1s are 7 minus 3. This 0 comes down. 7 4s are 28. 2. We get remainder as 2. That means this 2 is added with Thursday. Then Thursday after 2 days, what will it? Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday. Then after 2 days, Saturday will be the resultant answer. Because we can see 14 weeks, this is 14 weeks. So that means Thursday, after 14 weeks it will be Thursday only. That means plus 2 means this Thursday should be added with plus 2, we are getting Saturday. Similarly, if we go with the question, I'm just rubbing it. Hope you got the point, what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So, what is the question? 7890 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7. 8 comes down. 7 ones are 7. 1. 9 comes down. Then 7 twos are 14. 5. Then this 0 also comes down. And 7 sevens are 49. So what is the remainder? Remainder here is 1. So what is today? Today is Thursday. So Thursday plus 1 day, which gives us Friday. So the answer here should be Friday. So the answer here is Friday. Hope you got it. Chalo, let's move on to the next one. Okay. What is the question? What is the question? The question is about floors and arrangement. What it is? Floors and arrangement. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? We are getting 8 people live here on a building. Top to bottom, ground floor is 1 and top floor is 8. अच्छा ठीक है, well and good. So top floor is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. चलो ठीक है. So what is the question? The question starts with, there is a gap of 3 people between D and F and both of them are lives in odd floor. Acha, we know this is the odd number 7, 5, 3 and 1. That means in this 4 floors D and F should be there, either in the 4 floors. So if we write D here, acha, if I write D here, then gap of 3, 1, 2, 3, that means F should be here. See, both are there in the odd number floor. And if we write D here, F should be here. I am just taking the possibilities. Chalo, ठीक है. Then H lives just above B. H lives just above B. अच्छा ठीक है. H can be here, B can be here, H can be here, B can be here. We do not know. अच्छा, I am just writing here. H is just above B. Then B, who lives on an even numbered floor. B lives on an even number floor. So B is in an even. So H, if H is here, B, it is not even. If H is here, B, over here, B is not even, then we get only here. B is on even numbered floor. Then if H is here, B is not here. If H is here, B can be here. If H is here, B can be here. So we get 2 possibilities. Acha, let's leave it for now. Then C lives on floor number 6. It is a definite conclusion that C is on 6 number floor. So we write C here, C here. Now just take this one, H and B. B cannot be here because C is taken. So H should be here and B should be here. ठीक है? चलो next. What is given? Only one person live between F and G. Only one person live between F and G. Let's see, F, one person, G should be here, but it is not possible. So F and G should be here. And D lives above C. अच्छा, D is above C. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. Then 3% live between B and E. 3% between B and E. 1, 2, 3. E cannot be down. 1, 2, 3. E is here. So what is the left person? A. So this is our complete diagram. So what is the question? Question here is given, who lives on second floor? Who lives on second floor? A. Option number B. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इज मिसिंग सीरीज. नेक्स्ट इज मिसिंग सीरीज. अच्छा चलो, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन. डबल ए बी डैश बी, डबल सी डैश सी, then again dash double a b dash b b c. अच्छा, if we see, here is also double a, here is also double a. ठीक है, here is also double a, here is also double a. अच्छा, then here is b triple b, then if we see b, then again here is b. अच्छा, just in case, let's just write, just I'm just taking example, just write b over here. Let's take b over here. Just take b over here. अच्छा, all the option starts with b. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, all the option starts with b. चलो ठीक है. Then we have c c c a. अच्छा, if we write c, then what we are getting? What we are getting? Double a. Then we have triple b. Then we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 C. Either here can be C, but 1, 2, 3 in none of the option there is C except for this one. Just take the possibility of these three. I'm just taking the possibility, not saying the definite diagram. ठीक है, चलो. Double A, triple B, 4 C. अच्छा, if we write again A over here, just writing again A over here, A, just writing it. Then we are getting what? Triple A. Then if we write B, then we are getting what? 4 B's. Then again if we write C here, we are getting 3 C's and again A. See, again it starts with double A. So if we see double A, triple B, 4 C's. Again triple A, 4 B, triple C. Then again double A. So what you are getting? BCA, 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 BCA. That means option number C is the correct answer. अच्छा चलो, let's move on to the next one. Okay, चलो ठीक है. Again this is about relation. So what is the question given? Q Y G O is written as what? S A I Q. अच्छा, Q S, that means Q Q R S plus 2, Y A again plus 2, G H I again plus 2, O P Q again plus 2. So what is there? Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So U C K and S, everything should be plus 2. So what will be there? U, what is U? What is U plus 2? W. What is C plus 2 is E. What is K plus 2 is M. What is S plus 2 is U. W E M U. Where is W E M U? Option number B. ठीक है, चलो next. Okay, next is coded language. What it is given? C O M P U T E R. Computer. How it is written? 3 6 4 7 3 2 5 9. अच्छा, what should be the code for blast? Okay, ठीक है. चलो, if we see 3, what is the place value of C? 3. Place value of C is 3. We know that place value of C is 3. Okay. What is the place value of O? It is 15. What is the place value of M? It is 13. Place value of P is 16. Place value of U is 21. Of T it is 20. Of E it is 5. And of R it is 18. See to 3 is 3. 15 is written as 6. How 6? 5 plus 1 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. That means we are adding all the dual digits. That means tens and 1 digits are added. See, 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 is written as 5. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So the place values are added and the resultant answer. So code of blast. So B, what is the code for B? Is 2. What is the code for L? It is 12. Code for A is 1. Code for S, or the place value of S, is 19. And the place value of T is 20. So 2 is written as 2. 12 should be written as 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 is written as 1. 9 plus 1, 10. And 2 plus 0 is 2. So what is the answer? 231102. What is the option given? 231102. Option number C. So option number C. ठीक है, चलो, let's move on to the next one. Okay. So what is the question here? Arrange the words in which they appear in dictionary. How they will appear in dictionary. So what is the words given? Apple, apply, ape, apartment and appear. Okay. So all the words starts with A. So A is complete. Then what we have in all the words? We have P. Again P complete. Then P, P, E, A. See, we are getting A over here. Then we are getting P. That means 4 should be in the first in the dictionary. Then apartment completed. Now after A what we have? E, because rest of the words are of the third letter is P. So E means 3. So 4 3. Then we have APP. Okay, chalo. Then we have APP. Okay, then we have APP. Then P is also completed. Then we have L. Again we have L. Then we have E. E comes before L. So that means 5. This is also completed. Then L and L is also complete. L is also complete. Then we have E and Y. E comes before Y. So 1. And at the end we have 2. So what is the sequence? 4 3 5 1 2. 4 3 5 1 2. Option number A. Option number A is the answer. ठीक है, चलो move on to the next one. अच्छा, so what is given? Z x v. Okay, चलो, Z x v. How is Z goes to x? -2. X goes to v, again -2. Then we have T R P. If we see, again see, v to T -2, T to R -2, R to P -2. Then again N L J, P to N -2, N to L -2, L to J -2. Then what will be after J? J -2. What is J -2? It is H. Then again H -2. What is H -2? We get F. And what is F -2? We get D. So what is the answer? H F D. Where is H F D? Option number B. So all the letters are getting subtracted with -2. That means alternate numbers are coming in place. ठीक है ना. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. Okay. What is the question? From the given word, find out the word which can. See, which can be formed. Can be formed means which word is formed from the letters of the word what? International. ठीक है. Which word can be formed? So let's see. What is the first word? What is the first word? Terminate. So we have T E R M. Can we see M? Terminate cannot be formed. Next, annual, A N N. Can we see U? That means annual is also not possible. Then what is internal? I N T E R N A L. Internal can be formed. So we require can. Internal can be formed. And what is the last one? Term. We have T E R, but we do not have M. So term cannot also be formed. So internal can be formed from the given word what? International. ठीक है. चलो move on to the next one. Okay. Next one is also about missing number. So what is given here? 83 gives us 12. Here should be proportionate sign. Okay, proportionate sign. Question should be 83 12 proportionate to 92 and this. ठीक. चलो 83 12. How is 83 goes to 12? If we see 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 is 12. If we look that one, 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1 gives us 12. If we see this one, 92 plus, which gives 11, 11 plus 1 12. No option is there. That means this is not the process. That means there should be some other solution. Acha. If we multiply 8 into 3, what we get? If we multiplying 8 into 3, we get 24. And if we divide by 2, we get 12. Is it possible? Let's see. 92. If we multiply 92, we get 18. Then again we divide it by 2, we get 9. See, 9 is there. So what was there? Multiplying the digit and then dividing it by 2. ठीक है. चलो next question. Okay, next question is also again about missing number. What is the question? 466 sorry 466 is at the rate 341. Acha. If we subtract it, 446 minus 341, what we get? 125. We require 250. If we multiply it by 2, we get 250. Chalo, let's see this one. 978 minus 512. What we get? 286. Multiplying it by 2, we get 6 to 12. 1, 7, 572. Is 572 in the given option? Yes, option number B. So what was there? That means at the rate means minus. Just subtract it with the number and multiplying it by 2. ठीक है. चलो, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is about direction. This is about direction. So what is the direction? So let's see what is the question. Monu started his journey from his house towards it. Acha, chalo. Monu started his journey from his house towards it. Let's see, his house is here, somewhere here. He goes towards east. Chalo, he goes towards east. After covering 15 meter, acha, chalo, this is 15 meter. He turned left. Acha, chalo, he turned left. That means his left should be here. He turned left and walked 9 meter. And he walked 9 meter. Chalo, he walked 9 meter. Then he turned to his right. Chalo, again he turned to his right and walked 5 meter. Chalo, he walked 5 meter. and then he turned right and walked 9. Acha chalo, again he turned right, that means this side towards his south, he walked 9. This is 9 meter. In which direction his house, acha, question is complete. In which direction his house, that means this is the ending, this is the starting point, or this is the house, this is the end point. In which direction his house from the end point, his house is here, this is the end point, his house is towards his west, option number C. His house is towards the west of from the end point, option number C. Chalo, let's move on to the next one. Chalo, next. Acha, chalo, what is the question? This is also again about missing number. Acha, what it is given? 129. Acha, if we cube this, we are get, because 9, we see 9, the first string strikes 2 cube becomes 8. The first string you should strike in your mind that 2 cubes becomes 8. So 2 cube is 8 and 1 is added, we get 9. Acha, 1 is added, we get 9. Again 8 cube means 512. We know 8 cube is 512 and we get 37. 37 means what? If we subtract, we get 25. That means 5 square is 25. See, just add it. 25 plus 512, we get 537. So this number should also be the square. So both the numbers are added. So similarly, 3 square means 9. 6 cube means 216. Adding the both the numbers, we get what? 225. So option is A. So what was the solution? Squaring the first number and adding with the cube of the second number. Squaring the first, cube the second and add it. ठीक है? चलो next. Next is what? About order and ranking. Okay. So Aman ranks 7th from the top. Acha chalo, he ranks 7th. That means let's say Aman is here. He ranked 7th from the top. That means before Aman there are 6 people or 6 students. Before Aman there are 6 students because he is 7th. So 6 students are before Aman. And 29th from the bottom. And if he is 7th from the top, he is 29th from the bottom. 29, that means after Aman there should be 28 students. So after Aman there should be 28 students. So how many students are there in the class? So before Aman there are 6, after Aman there are 28, and Aman itself is 1 student, so plus 1. So what is the answer? 6 plus 28 is 34. 34 plus 1 is 35. So there are total of 35 students. ठीक है? चलो. Next question. Okay. Next question is about blood relation. Next question is about blood relation. Okay. So what is given? First statement says F is a granddaughter of E. Acha chalo. F is a granddaughter. So E must be somewhere here. His son or his daughter is the father or the mother of E. F. We don't know who. So someone should be here. Is someone, son or daughter should be here, and he should be the father or mother of F. That's why E is the F is the granddaughter. F is the granddaughter. ठीक? चलो. Next, D is the grandmother of A. D is the grandmother. D is the grandmother. अच्छा चलो. D is the grandmother of whom? A. So that means D is someone, son or daughter should be the father of mother of A. अच्छा, if we do this, let's make husband and wife of E and D, and A, D is the grandmother of A, and A, let's write here. D is the grandmother, that means D should be the mother and E should be the father, means husband and wife. Then C is the mother of F. C is the mother of F. Acha chalo, C is the mother. C is the mother of F. We don't know. C is the mother of F. C is the mother of F. But we don't know, is C the daughter of E? Can we say that? Is C the mother of E till this line? Can we say? No. Then, and it is a wife of B. And it is a wife of B. Acha chalo. So B is the husband of C. Then B's mother is D. See, B's mother is D. That means B is the son and C is the wife of B. That means E is the father of B, D is the mother of B, and B is the son of E and D, and C is the wife of B and A. And there are two married couples. See, one married couple, two married couple. That means these are brother. F and A is brother, sister and sister. We don't know the gender of A and it can be son, it can be daughter of B and C. Right? A can be male or A can be female. We don't know. So this is the diagram. So what is the question said? What is the relation of B with A? What is the relation of B with A? What is B? B is the father of A. B is the father. But if the and if I just change the question, if I just change the question from what is the relation of, and if I change the question, what is the relation of A with B? Now what is the question now? What is the relation of A with B? A with B, can we say, is A the son of B or A the daughter of B? Can we say that? Because the gender is not revealed of A. So if the question comes what is the relation of A with B, the answer is C and D, cannot be determined. So then the answer should be C and D. ठीक है? But here what was the question? So but what was the question here? The question here was what was the relation of B with A? That means B is the father. ठीक है? चलो next. Okay. What is the question here? The question here, it is written ROAD is written as 9, 12, 26, 23. Acha. If we write A till Z, what is the opposite of A? We know it is Z. What is opposite of B? We know it is Y. What is opposite of C? We know it is X. Opposite. So what is the place value of R? Place value of R is 18. And what is the opposite of R? We know opposite of R is Y. Opposite of R is I. And what is the place value of I? We know it is 9. What is the opposite of O? What is the opposite of O? It is L. And what is the place value of L? It is 12. What is the opposite of A? It is given here. Opposite of A is Z. And place value of A is 1. And opposite of D is W. And place value of D is 4. And place value of W is 23. So what we can see here, R, opposite of R is I. Opposite of R is I, and the place value of I is given here. Opposite of O is L and place value of L is given here. Opposite of A is Z and Z's place value is given here. Opposite of D, it's W and the place value of W is given here. ठीक है? So what is the question required? The question require nest. So what is the opposite of N? We know it is M. Opposite of E is V. Opposite of S is H and opposite of T it is G. What is the place value of M? 13. Place value of V is 22. Place value of H is 8 and place value of G is 7. So 13, 22, 8, 7. Where is 13, 22, 8, 7? Option number C. So what was the question here? The question here was just writing the opposite letters of the given word and the place value of the opposite letters. Opposite of R is I, opposite of O is L, opposite of A is Z and opposite of D is W, and just writing the place value. I is Z is 26 and W is 23. See, I 9, L 12, L 20, Z 20 and W 23. So similarly nest NM, EV, SH, TJ and the place value. ठीक है? चलो, let's move on to the next one. Okay, next one. It is given if blue means white. ठीक है. White means yellow. ठीक है. I'm just writing it. Blue means white. White means yellow. Yellow means red. And red means green. So what is the color of ice? What is the color of ice? We know it is white and white means yellow. So option is C. ठीक है? चलो, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is again about what? Direction. Direction and distance. ठीक है? So what is the question? A person walks 12 kilometer north. चलो, ठीक है. Starting from here, let's write 12 kilometer north. चलो, 12 kilometer. Then 16 kilometer east. Then he goes 16 from here. He goes 16 kilometer east. अच्छा चलो, I make 16 kilometer east. Then again 20 kilometer west. अच्छा, he goes backwards. So from here, how much? 20 kilometer. From this to this it is 16. So more he'll go what? 4. So here comes 20. And then 15 kilometers south. South, that means till this portion we are getting 12 and 15, that means this portion should be 3. This portion should be 3. So what is the question requires? Question requires how far is he from the starting point. This is the starting point, this is the ending point. So if we see, this is also 4. How far? So if we see, if we dot line like this, so this is 4, this is 3. So what distance should be there? So if we see, it is a right angle triangle, and we know the formula. What is the formula? Pythagoras theorem. We know the Pythagoras theorem. What is the formula? Perpendicular square plus base square gives us what? Hypotenuse square. So what is perpendicular over here? Perpendicular here is 3. So it is 3 square. What is base? Base is 4. So 4 square. And hypotenuse we don't know. So 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. Which gives us 25. So h square means 25. So what is the value of h? 5. So the shortest distance between the starting point and the ending point is 5. So where is option given? Option is option number D. ठीक है? Hope you got it. Chalo, let's move on to the next one. Okay, again it is about statements and conclusion. So what is given? All P are Q. Chalo ठीक है, चलो all P are Q. Then some Q are Z. अच्छा चलो let's make some Q are Z. Then some Z are T. अच्छा चलो let's make some Z are T. Possible diagram. This is the possible diagram. Statement completed. Then what is the conclusion? Some T are P. Some T are P. Can we see some T are P? No, we cannot see. Then some P are Z. Some P are Z. Can we see some P are Z? No, some P are also not Z. No T are Z. No T are Z. We can see T is some T is Z. So this is also wrong. So all the conclusion is false. So none follows. ठीक है, चलो let's move on to the next one. Okay, next one is again about what? Relation. So what is the question here? 39 gives us 129. अच्छा ठीक है. If we look closely, 129 is near about 39 times 3. If we see 39 times 3, what is given? 9 3 is a 27, carry 2, 11, 117. And what is given? 129. If 129, if we subtract it, we get 12. अच्छा ठीक है, we get 12. How 12 comes? अच्छा, if we see 9 plus 3, what is 9 plus 3? It is 12. Answer is 129. अच्छा, we got it. So what is the question here? 45 times 3 gives us 5 is a 15, carry 1, 12, 13, gives us 135, and adding this two digit gives us 9. Add it, we get 144. So answer is 144. Option number 2. Option number 2. ठीक है. So what was here? Multiplying it by 3 and the digit is then summed and then added with the resultant answer. 45 into 3 135, then 4 plus 5 is 9, then 9 is added with the resultant answer, which gives us the required answer 144. ठीक है, चलो. अच्छा, coded language again. Coded language. What is given? Floor white marble is written as something. Type tire or hard white is written as something. Marble or shine is written as something. चलो ठीक है. What is the code for? What is the code required for shiny floors? अच्छा, shiny floors. Where is shiny? अच्छा, we can see shiny over here. And can we see shiny anywhere? No. That means the code should be from this only. That means the rest two codes should be eliminated. The rest two codes should be eliminated because in no other code there is shiny. So if we look closely, marble R, where is marble? We can see marble is here. We can see marble over here, and the code is, see, TP is again TP, so TP should be eliminated. TP should be eliminated. Then we have R. Here we have R. Then here we can see TR, so TR should also be eliminated. So what is the code for shiny? What is the code for shiny? We can see 6. And what we require? Floor. Chalo, floor 6. That means option 1 is eliminated. Rest of the 3 should anyway be there. Okay. Next, we require floor. Where is floor? Floor is only over here. We cannot see floor anywhere. That means white should also be eliminated. We can see white is here. White is here. that means TP is already eliminated. So AJ PR, see we can see PR over here, PR over here. So white floor, floor is given as AJ, floor is written as AJ. Okay, so the answer is 6AJ. Where is 6AJ? Option number 3. Okay, chalo, let's move on to the last question for today's session. So the last question is sitting arrangements. Okay, there are 7 sisters, namely A, B, S, D, Rita, Lalita and Geeta. So we can just write A, B, S, D, R, L and G. We can write like this, standing in a row facing north. Okay, chalo, let's question begin. So what is the question given here? Lalita is standing immediate right of Rita. Okay, chalo, Lalita is standing immediate right of Rita. Chalo, Rita is here, Lalita is here. Rita, who stands fourth to the right of Geeta. Rita, who stands fourth to the right. That means Geeta is here, fourth to the right. First, second, third, fourth. That means gap of 3. So Lalita is standing immediate right of and Geeta. Then 1, 2, 3, because first, second, third, fourth, immediate who stands fourth to the right of Geeta. Okay, we got total of 6 right till now. Next, only Sunita stands between Babita and Dikshita. That means only S stands between B and D. B and D. So either S, B, D is possible, or if we write like this, S, D, B is possible, right? Because Sunita stands exactly between B and D, S, B and D. And last states Dikshita or D stands in the middle position. Middle position can be, if we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 6 is there. Nowhere this is possible, because in the middle means 7% in the middle, that means what? Fourth. If we 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that means in the middle, that means here should be one more. See, 1, 2, 3, fourth. From here also 1, 2, 3, fourth. Take. That means here should be the left one. Who is left? Anita. So what is the question? Question is who stands at the rightmost position? Who stands at the rightmost? A. A means Anita. Okay? So this was the last question for today. Hope you liked it. So this was a small practice session for what? Kolkata Police and West Bengal Police Constable. So I am ending the session with a good note. Hope you understand it. So let's end it. Thank you everyone.